Hi everyone, my name is Monique and I'm the head of community here at Self. What you may not know about me is I spent the past 6 years as a financial coach educating my clients about credit, helping them create a budget, and just assisting them with creating a plan to build their financial future. Sometimes staying on top of your finances just feels like another thing you have to do. On top of work and taking care of your family, the last thing you want to do is create a budget or call a creditor. And I saw my clients struggle with that as well. So that's why it's really important for you to ask yourself why. Why do I want to achieve these financial goals? Without a why, it's going to be really hard for you to stay motivated. So to keep the momentum, a lot of my clients would create vision boards, whether it was pics of their dream car or their dream home, their dream vacation, or a plan for a better future for their kids. Creating a visual really helped them reflect on their intention. In this video, we'll discuss ways to stay motivated, how to deal with financial stress, and how to stay on track. During your financial journey, you may face some setbacks and maybe even want to quit. Well, here are some strategies that will give you the push to keep going. Finding a solid support system. Having a support system can push you to stay motivated and even increase your chances of success. Your support system can provide encouragement, help you be accountable, and even provide guidance whenever you're facing challenges. In addition, just having someone believe in you can really help you boost your confidence and help you stay on track whenever you're feeling stressed. Connect with others who share your journey or who can offer support. At Self, many of our customers come via word of mouth. That means that there's conversations about money and credit happening from people they trust the most. Community is everything. It can offer a sense of connection and belonging. And if you haven't found your community just yet, you're not alone. There's millions of people trying to get their finances back on track, or maybe they're just getting started. Whatever the case is, finding a safe space to talk about your finances is a key component in staying motivated. Consider free financial coaching, look for Facebook groups, or maybe even finding a podcast that resonates with you. You can also listen to the Self podcast, which is out now. We interviewed folks from all different walks of life to hear real stories from real people that are challenging their relationships with money so that they can build a better financial future for themselves, their loved ones, and even their communities. So you can find a link in the description below, or you can find the Self podcast wherever you get your podcasts. Easy breezy, take a listen. Celebrate your progress and acknowledge your accomplishment. When you take the time to celebrate your progress, you tend to be less stressed and more optimistic about the future. Celebrating your progress can look like treating yourself to a coffee or a smoothie, or checking things off your to-do list, or even sharing with your friends and family how far you've come. Don't forget to celebrate the small wins as well. If you bump your score up 10 points, or you even opened a savings account, that matters as well. So before you move on to the next big thing, give yourself a high five. Give yourself a little pat on the back. You deserve it. Financial stress is one of the most common stressors in life. It can take a toll on your mental health and really impacts your quality of life. Luckily, there are a few ways that you can get through your money worries. Consider taking breaks from watching, reading, and listening to news updates, and that includes social media content. Constant updates of other people's lives and current events can feel completely overwhelming at times. Taking a break can help reduce stress, anxiety, and give you ability to focus on yourself just a little bit more. An internal dialogue can reshape how you view things and give you a new approach to solving problems. So instead of saying, I messed up today, big time, say, I made a mistake, I'm human, and I can fix it. Practice positive self-talks whenever you notice those negative thoughts. Asking for help is hard, but it doesn't mean you failed. Seeking professional help is just another great option if needed. Depending on your location, there's a number of organizations that offer affordable or free financial counseling. If you need help managing your debt or you're trying to get started on your credit journey, financial counseling can provide you with the tools and strategies to handle your finances. If you're one of those people that's already created a budget, yay, sticking to it is the hardest part. And here's what you you can do to stay on track. Set clear financial goals. Identify your financial priorities and set achievable goals for your spending and savings. Track your expenses. Keep track of every penny you spend so you can identify areas where you can cut back. Avoid impulse purchases. Resist the urge to purchase anything not essential. Give yourself a 24-hour grace period, and if you still want it or need it, then go ahead and make the purchase. Find ways to save. Look for ways to reduce your monthly expenses, such as negotiating bills, using coupons, or looking for cheaper alternatives. Make adjustments. Things change, especially money. So if you have an unexpected bill or you underestimated a certain expense, go ahead and make an adjustment to your budget so that you can stay on top of your finances and you don't have to worry about overspending. Watch our 101 for beginners to learn more about budgeting. We all have big dreams in life, but making goals that are too general makes it very hard to stay on track. Breaking down your goals into smaller steps helps you plan out your tasks. It just gives you the flexibility to build off them a little bit better, all while monitoring your progress. For example, if your goal is to build an emergency savings account, set a specific amount and break down that amount by each month or maybe even each paycheck. Breaking that goal down into smaller, achievable steps just gives you more confidence and makes you feel empowered each time you contribute into your savings. It's also a good habit to schedule weekly or monthly financial check-ins with yourself. Review your credit card and your bank statement to check your spending, make any adjustments to your budget, and reassess your action plan. All of this will start coming to you naturally as long as you stay consistent, monitor your progress, and celebrate your wins. Now, I really hope this information was useful for you. Stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. You may see your questions answered throughout or at the end of the series. Bye!